So, my friend, you asked for skin fade,
Yeah.
high fade, and how about the top?
Just a little bit.
Just a bit of the top? Okay, you want to keep the top almost as it is?
Yeah. Use the special feature.
Thinning scissor.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, too easy.
A little bit. That's it.
Too easy too. Let's do it. So, my friend, in this case, because it's a high fade, so we're gonna ask, I will put my guideline here. I'll drop it a little bit at the back using the zero. After you set yourself the guideline, now shave everything below using the clipper with the zero gap. Next step, using the shaver, shave half away from here. Next, the small guideline between the super zero and the normal zero. We're gonna use our trimmer to get rid of it. So just in the middle, don't go too high, don't go to the end. So now grab your clipper, open the arm to the end, the level to the end, and cut only 1 inch from here. I don't know if you can see the gap line here between the zero and the half by the camera, but there's a small one here. So how are we gonna get rid of it? Just the level, halfway open, and hit just on the middle. Don't go too high. Don't go to the end of the half. Now next step, I will go with 1.5 level open, and I'll hit 1 inch here, but try to flick the clipper out. Now next step, we jump with number 1.5 level open, and you hit just like here. Don't go to the end of the number 2, and flick the clipper out. Now next one, we will have 0.5 level open to the end and hit only on the middle. See this guideline? That's what we will try to get rid of it. So flick the clipper out as usual. Next step, I will put number 2 with the level open, and I will just clean the things, clean the end of the hair. Now we get the scissors job. Always get the instructions from their customers about the top, regarding the top. Come on. Clean the spot.
Yes, please.
Now we're gonna put some chicken salt. You like chicken salt? How's that?
Nice. Very nice.
Like it? Okay, where's your thumbs up then? But this, thumbs up, come on.
What?
Thumbs up.
100%.